The rise of e-commerce has created numerous opportunities for entrepreneurs to start and run successful businesses. However, starting an e-commerce business can be challenging, especially if you're new to the world of online selling. In this article, we will discuss how to start a successful e-commerce business and make money online. The first step in starting an e-commerce business is choosing your niche. Your niche is the specific area of the market that you want to focus on. It's important to choose a niche that you're passionate about and that has potential for growth. Research your potential competitors and see what they're doing and what sets them apart. You can use tools such as Google Trends, Amazon bestsellers, and social media to gauge the demand for your niche. The next step in starting an e-commerce business is choosing your business model. There are several business models available, such as dropshipping, wholesaling, and private labeling. Each model has its pros and cons, so it's important to research and choose the one that suits your needs. Once you've chosen your niche and business model, the next step is to build your e-commerce website. You can use platforms such as Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce to create your online store. It's important to choose a user-friendly platform that offers features such as easy customization, secure payment gateways, and responsive design. After building your website, the next step is to choose your products. If you're dropshipping, you'll need to find a supplier who can provide the products you want to sell. If you're private labeling, you'll need to find a manufacturer who can produce your products. It's important to choose products that are in demand and that you can sell at a competitive price. Market your business. Once your e-commerce business is up and running, the next step is to market your business. Social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter can be great tools to promote your products and attract customers. You can also use paid advertising such as Google Ads, Facebook ads, and Instagram ads to reach a wider audience. Creating YouTube content can be an effective way to promote your e-commerce business and attract customers. You can create product reviews, tutorials, and other types of content that showcase your products and your expertise. Make sure to optimize your content for search engines by using relevant keywords and including links to your e-commerce website. Building your brand is an important aspect of starting a successful e-commerce business. Your brand is the image that customers have of your business, and it can influence their purchasing decisions. Create a unique brand identity by choosing a memorable name, logo, and design that represents your business. Providing excellent customer service is crucial in e-commerce. Make sure to respond to customer inquiries promptly, provide accurate product descriptions, and offer a hassle-free return policy. Encourage customers to leave reviews and feedback on your website and social media channels. In conclusion, starting a successful e-commerce business takes time, effort, and dedication. Choose your niche, business model, and products carefully, and market your business effectively using YouTube and other platforms. Build your brand and provide excellent customer service to attract and retain customers. With hard work and perseverance, you can create a profitable e-commerce business and make money online.